Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most unique aircraft ever built, the V-22 Osprey. Is it a helicopter? Is it a plane? Actually, it's both. Stay tuned as we explore the incredible technology, capabilities, and history of this amazing tiltrotor aircraft. The V-22 Osprey is a revolutionary military aircraft that combines the vertical takeoff and landing abilities of a helicopter with the speed and range of a turboprop plane. Developed by Bell Helicopter and Boeing, this tiltrotor aircraft has changed the way military operations are conducted. But how does it work? The Osprey's secret lies in its tiltrotor design. Unlike traditional helicopters, the Osprey's rotors can rotate from a vertical to a horizontal position. This allows it to lift off like a helicopter, then transition into forward flight like a conventional airplane. This unique capability gives the Osprey a top speed of around 275 knots, or about 316 miles per hour, much faster than any conventional helicopter. Under the hood, the Osprey is powered by two Rolls-Royce AE107C Liberty turbo shaft engines, giving it the ability to reach a maximum speed of 275 knots, or 316 miles per hour. In cruise mode, it maintains a steady 241 knots, which is about 277 miles per hour. Its impressive range of 879 nautical miles, or about 1,011 miles, allows it to cover long distances without refueling. It can climb at a rate of 2,320 feet per minute and operate at altitudes up to 25,000 feet. With a maximum takeoff weight of 52,600 pounds, it can carry up to 24 combat troops or 20,000 pounds of cargo. Additionally, for defensive capabilities, it can be fitted with a M240 machine gun or a GAU-17 minigun mounted on the ramp. The V-22 Osprey is primarily used by the U.S. Marine Corps, Air Force, and Navy for a variety of missions, including troop transport, search and rescue, and special operations. The V-22 Osprey is truly a marvel of aviation engineering. It bridges the gap between helicopters and airplanes, providing the military with an unmatched capability. What do you think about this incredible aircraft? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing aviation content.